In this video, we're going to look at MOOKY, which is a brand new meme coin with tons of utility, as well as that giving towards good causes. As always, nothing I say on this channel is financial advice. Always do your own research before investing any money. So guys, hit the like button and let's get into today's video. Here we are over on mooky.io, as always linked down below in the description. As you can see, this is a meme coin. Now we've seen a massive surge in the meme coin environment recently with the rise of Pepe coin, and then suddenly tons of others have started exploding onto the scene. The cool thing about meme coins is they have the opportunity to absolutely explode and make incredible upside moves, but obviously you've got to do your own research but understand some more things about it before you decide to invest. Now what I like about MOOKY compared with other meme coins is it does actually have some utility. As well as that, we can see that they are sponsoring various forestry type charities around the world, such as the Rainforest Trust, primarily primates, and many others. Now that's important. One, because it's obviously important to be able to support good causes, but also because it does tend to drive more interaction with a particular token. Now MOOKY's mission, basically MOOKY is a cute and cool meme token in 2023. They're helping to plant trees globally and they aim to make a better environment and inspire change. MOOKY is a community-owned token with the governance where the community decides on a DAO, a vote, how to run the operations. The holders of the token are the ones who own the platform. Down below, looking into the tokenomics, then we got 500 billion tokens, which is actually pretty small when you talk about meme tokens in general. 70% will be sold at pre-sale, 20% in listings, 5% will then be given to centralized exchanges and staking, and then 3% will go to charity, 2% in the reserves. There's also unique NFTs available, and there will be 1,000 of those. They'll also help you to gather. They'll also return investment in MOOKY tokens and could be used for various other utilities. So they're worth keeping an eye on as well. And if you subscribe to their Twitter, you'll be able to keep up to date with all that's going on there. Now, in terms of the roadmap, you can see there is a lot of things going on. Currently, we're sat in Q2 2023, obviously so far. And you can see that basically they're targeting a variety of different things in here. Q3, they'll be moving into various different billboards around the world. Then they'll be looking to do centralized exchange listings, NFT minting, and much, much more, by which time they would have hoped to have raised $1 million. And the MOOKY token will be actually launched. Now, again, what's very unusual to see for a meme token is this very, very detailed white paper, which you can find over here. It'll also be linked down below if you want to check this out. It takes you all through things from the tokenomics to the whole kind of mission that they're trying to achieve. Later on in the day, they're going to be looking to implement things like games and various other things that they can help to build the community. And ultimately, this is all aimed at raising money for some pretty decent charities around the world. Now, at the moment, there is a pre-sale on. It's currently in stage 6. So all you need to do if you want to look at this, you click on buy now. And all you then need to do is connect your wallet here. And you can either use MetaMask, Wallet Connect, or Trust Wallet. Now, there will be 12 stages in total. So the earlier you get in, the lower the price you're going to be able to secure, which obviously is important because you have the potential to be able to make gains on launch once the launch date comes around and they actually launch for a particular price. For example, if you're paying 1 cent per token and the launch price is 2 cents per token, you're going to make 100% on launch if you sell it on launch. But obviously if you hold, this could also help you to gain further on down the line as more people flood into the space. And it's obviously worth paying attention to the actual crypto space in general right now to see whether or not you think it's going to be booming towards the upside or whether we're going to continue to slide lower down. If you want to go and check out more about the contract and things like that, it's all listed down below. You can see the address here and you can just copy this for your MetaMask as well. What you want to do is open up your MetaMask. You can copy the address in when you're importing a token. You can then add the decimals and you can add the token symbol MOOK. And this means that when you buy your tokens and the tokens are actually launched, they're going to show in your MetaMask wallet. They won't show until the launch date happens because obviously they are not yet minted. So it's important to note that you might not see anything once you've made that purchase. So just take a screenshot, record all the details so that if there's any issues down the line, you can approach the team and ask about it there. So in summary, MOOKY is a brand new meme coin entering into the crypto space. There's tons of different features and different plans for the future and one of the most detailed roadmaps and white papers I've seen in the meme coin space. They also do a lot of work to help charities associated with forestry around the world, which is something very, very positive. If you enjoyed today's video, guys, and found it useful, then do me a favor, hit that like button. If you're new to the channel, you want to learn more about crypto, NFTs, GameFi, and much, much more, then make sure you hit subscribe, and I'll see you in the very next video. Bye-bye.